guys, today we are at Cars and Cantina in the Colony, and we're gonna check out some cool cars. We're at a car show here. We didn't bring any of the hypercars, but dude, there's a lot of cool cars here. There's a couple Ford GTs, an F8 Tributo. Dude, there's some cool stuff here. So let's go take a look around. All right guys, so I started in the back of the show, and we're gonna kind of move forward towards the exotics because I want to show you a little bit of everything. I feel like I've been doing a bad job of not showing you the muscle and the lifted trucks and everything. So I'm gonna show you a little bit of everything in this video, and then yeah. Man, this thing is sick. I love the Kevlar and the paint on this. Oh, it's for sale. Starwood Motors. Go check it out. This guy is definitely in the holiday spirit. He taped lights all the way around his car, and he's got a bow on the front. Man, holly jolly Christmas. Man, this guy did it too. Holy cow. I didn't realize people actually did this. They just put paper on their car. We got the CTSV here. Oh, this thing's got skulls all over it. It's all custom painted. Man, this thing is fast. Holy cow, this sucker is huge. I like all the carbon fiber accents everywhere. It's so cool. So I just showed you guys that one right there. There's another one right here. Holy cow. This one doesn't have the custom paint or anything, but man, this thing is awesome. Talk about getting in the Christmas spirit. Man, and he's got a little model on his hood too. This thing is awesome. Guys, this thing is a beast. Holy cow. These rims are huge. It's all Kevlar, these seats up here. It's even got boat speakers on it. You guys might remember this car because I actually have filmed a video on this. It was at Reserve Auto Group. I did a video on the Aston Martin and the Bentley there. So yeah, this thing is still for sale and it's crazy. These boat speakers, man, huge wheels. This thing is awesome. This color on this Aston Martin is crazy. It's like a teal blue. Man, Vantage. Yeah, this is similar to the one that we drove. That was this one, which is a DB11. But man, the Vantage is just a smaller DB11. It looks pretty cool. This is a rose gold chrome Lamborghini. He's revving it right now. This thing is crazy. He's about to back out and then take off. So let's see it. So there's a whole bunch more Lamborghinis here. There's an SVJ, an SV, a Performante with 1,000 horsepower, a couple Huracan Evos. Man, there is so many. But we're gonna go around and take a look at them and tell me which one's your favorite. Comment down below. So we got the green SV right here. This thing is sick. Right next to the Aventador SVJ. Talk about a Christmas themed car. Man, red rims, green car. This is definition of a Christmas themed car. And this is kind of the highlight of the show. Right in here, we have 3 Ford GTs. 2 new ones, and then 1 classic one. Guys, so we got John and his Pista. He's about to take off. This thing is beautiful. He actually has 2 of these. He has a Pista Spider and the Pista Coupe. But man, this thing is amazing. show you is crazy. It's a Datsun 280Z, but it's got some like lifted tires, off-roading tires on it. This thing is crazy. Man. This is awesome. I've never seen anything like this before. Holy cow. We got a couple old cars here. We got a little Chevelle action. Bang. Oh, and then look at this Silverado. This thing is so cool. It's lowered. Man. C10. Sheesh. Look at that trunk. Then this Cadillac, man, it's like on bags. This thing is on the ground. Holy cow. This thing is awesome, guys. We got a twin pair of BMW M4s right here. Man, these suckers are sick, and they're like the same exact color.
Up and coming YouTuber right there in the Dallas-Fort Worth area.
Yes, sir, Steve. Thank you so much.
Happen, man.
Alright guys, the show's starting to wind down a little bit. People are starting to leave. I didn't get anybody taken off, but there's a couple little stragglers here. Huracan, the Hummer, a couple of Rolls Royce over there, but yeah, we're gonna walk around a little bit more and see what else is here, and then that's probably about to be it.
What's up? Everything's off.
Shout out your channel.
Blake Covington, go check me out. Also Blake Covington on Instagram, and Alexander Covington, my wife,
oh yeah,
on IG.
For sure. Go follow them, guys.
Man. Appreciate it.
Alright guys, that's gonna be it for this video. Looks like everybody's headed out, but there is one person still here. We got Life of Mike here. If you haven't watched the last video, we did a video on this Huracan Evo Spider. It's gonna be crazy, but yeah, this was Michael's actually first car show. What did you think?
It was a great time. Definitely we'll be back for another one.
Yeah, so we're definitely gonna be coming back out. They've got some more cool cars, and so yeah, hope you guys enjoyed it. Like, subscribe, and we'll see you guys in the next one. Peace.